I'm Sunil from Ravel Therapies, and I just thought I'd like to share some of my remedial massage techniques. So before we do any deep pec minor work, it's quite nice to just work through the superficial fibers first, the pec major. Just try and relax those outer muscles a little bit. You can do some great muscle energy work with the pec minor. So Camilla, I'm just going to ask you to very gently, about 5% of your strength, just lift those shoulders forward against my hands. And just holding it there, that's it, no more than that. And just hold it there for about 10 seconds. And relax. So it's a great muscle energy technique just to engage those pec minor muscles and give them a cue to reset their muscle length. Another way you can do that is to shrug your client's shoulders and ask her to take her shoulders down. So if you can just gently push down, nice and gently, not too hard, and just holding it there. And relax. So simple muscle energy techniques. Getting into the pec minor can be quite sensitive for some clients. You've obviously got the brachial plexus which runs through that area, so you've just got to be careful you don't cause any pain. Just check in with them. If there's any pain going down their arm, ask them to let you know straight away. One way I like to release this pec minor is a pin and stretch maneuver. So what I'm going to do here is I'll take my client's shoulder down, and you find the coracoid process, and you just go about 1 centimeter down from there and just anchor your knuckle, and then asking your client to lift her shoulder up, shrugging her shoulder nice and slowly as you stretch that muscle out. So it's a nice pin and stretch kind of move with participation from your client. And relax, we'll take that shoulder down again, and we'll do the next one. And again, slowly shrugging your shoulder, please. So the pec minor has 3 branches, and we're sort of working each one of those. So this is the middle one. And relax, taking that shoulder down. And the lateral one's a bit harder because it's under the belly of the pec major muscle, but we'll give that a shot. So just tucking in there and shrugging slowly. And relax, and you can keep that shoulder up there. Just roll those attachments. And it's a really nice way of releasing that pec minor. While you're here, working on the scalenes is quite good as well. Again, very important for neck pain, but once again you've got to be careful that you don't cause any pain with the arteries and the brachial plexus running through here. You can use your knuckles gently. Again, just pulling that shoulder down gives you a bit of a stretch on those scalenes, nice and gentle. Or you can use a bit of a rocking technique, so you just roll as you immobilize the shoulder. So you're taking the scalene into a relaxed position rather than stretching it with every stroke. And you can work on the anterior scalenes, go further posterior to get onto the middle scalene muscles, and of course all the way back into the posterior scalene muscles. And just remembering to mobilize the shoulder with every stroke just helps those muscles to release quite nicely.